This is day 10 from Daddy and Magnolia. Magnolia wanted to talk to you first. You say hello? Yeah. She's my little Ralph Lauren girl today with her polo dress on. It's a little too short for her though. It's a little too short. It's a little too short. This morning, Daddy took the GRE test. It was slow and boring. Is that what you think too? Slow and boring? Took forever. And then I took a nap for about 4 hours. I think Maggie napped for about that same time. Maybe I should just let you talk instead of me saying anything. What do you think? Now you're gonna stop? Now you're gonna stop? Now you're gonna stop? Stand up. Hi.
I can't go outside.
I don't think we have much else to say. We're just gonna sit here and be cute. Nora's not here. She spent the night with somebody, and she's spending the night again with that same person. Tomorrow's Sunday. Go to church. We're going to see Grandma and Grandpa before they go to Italy next week. And next week, Carmela's going to Gatlinburg, Tennessee with her band. Can you say bye, Carca? Say bye, Carmi. Bye, Carmi. Okay, bye.